Hi viewers, welcome back to JD Vishnu YouTube channel. This side Vishnu. You are watching the Pal by Auro Realty at Hitech City, Hyderabad. Ultra premium Sky Mansions at Hitech City. This project spread across 8.54 acres, 414 apartments, 7 towers, 62,000 square feet clubhouse, low density project, and close to Cyber Towers, Hitech City, and Gachibowli. Here, starting size 5,300 square feet, 5,400 square feet. North and east facing flats are available for sale. Uniform size. Single floor, single sky mansion. 4 BHK plus home office plus servant room. 45 units only per acre. All rooms marble floorings. If you are really interested in this project, please contact on display number. Are you looking 4 and 5 BHK apartments? Contact us to know more details about the PAL. Watch complete video till the end. If you are watching first time JD Vishnu YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share your friends and family members. This is very prime location, heart of the city, close to all international schools, malls, hospitals, your daily needs and hotels. Thank you.